you have there Naoko Honda 2025 Filipinas United 3x3 MVP and 2025 Triple Champ MVP.
Oo, dumatayo na yan dito sa Pilipinas as the first jumper. Wala pa rin. Both teams trying to look for their first basket.
Exactly. This is height-wise parang okay. You know, same height. Tingnan na natin how good they're making the shots. Oh, what a play there for Maurice Lacroix.
Yeah, but yun nga lang, turnover. Both teams stretching the limits of their offense, forcing the defense to get deflections. Yun nga, Eurotex Dream with that opening basket off that jumper by Lee. Here comes Caping Goal. Floater game is there. The bank is open. It's a Saturday, but it's there for Caping Goal. 2-0 na for Eurotex Dream. Back tap out to Caping Goal. They go inside Lee. Easy 1 point.
Good steal there for Eurotex Dream now 3-2-0.
Pass inside, Murayama sizing up. Puts it up. That's a two-pointer for Chamu. That won't go though.
Ito, Jericho pumasok na their number 5 player for Maurice Lacroix.
We're talking about Eurotex. Balik sa Eurotex Dream. They're 4-0 already. Maurice Lacroix trying to get their rhythm going. Step back two for Chamu. Yan yung shooter that I was talking about in yesterday's practice. Coach Paul finally puts Maurice Lacroix on the board. And a steal for their white shirts. 3 straight points.
Right now, Maurice Lacroix nabuhayan. After was down 0-3, now isa na lang ang kalamangan.
That's right, but ito si Caping Goal, strong move. Not that time though. Misses there on the layup as it's 3-4, 8 minutes remaining. 2 minutes have passed. It's a hot start, and the fan of the game brought to you by Maxime Premium Nutrition for cats and dogs for real.
Oh, good backdoor play there for Murayama.
As we're tied now at 4, sinagot naman ng Maurice Lacroix ng kanilang sariling 4-0 run.
You see how the Japanese play,
Yeah.
Jericho. Not too much dribbling.
Yep.
Movement with the ball and movement without the ball.
Yes, tama ka dyan, Coach Paul. Well, this Maurice Lacroix, actually both teams, very known in the 3x3 scene, so they didn't know how to play this game. But a long two-pointer, that won't fall. Quick trigger jumper there for Maurice Lacroix, although they cannot convert.
It don't matter who's out on the court.
Eurotex Dream ball. Lee thought about that. 8 seconds to shoot. Handoff to Caping Goal. The pass to Lee inside, almost a steal, but they get it back. 1 second to shoot. And that is a shot clock violation. Pasang-pasa na yun.
Yeah, so far maganda yung labanan here. Lee and Pingol. Medyo nakalimutan lang, may 12 seconds shot clock pala. 4-4. Again, this is our inaugural Cebu Hustle 3x3. Oh, good pass there by Honda to Murayama.
Yeah, 2 advance. But the intention was there. 3 minutes have passed. We are tied at 4. Eurotex Dream started off 4-0. Sinagot naman ang Maurice Lacroix. Lee is fouled on the seal. That's Murayama called for the whistle for the white shirts.
Yes, one of our referees there. And FIBA International referee, a proud Mambalingon, a proud Cebuano, Aaron Cañete, and of course, yung tournament technical head natin dito. Proud dad, Ray Cañete.
Did you see the physicality in this ball game?
Yep, that's 2 fouls already now for Maurice Lacroix. Nagpahinga na itong si Murayama. Pumasok na si Kato Nozumi.
Yep. Oh, nice fake there. The drive inside, and the scoop layup is good.
Surada, that's his first bucket here on our ball game for the Eurotex Dream. Oh, good ball movement. Nozumi.
Yun nga lang, kinapos.
Yes, but you can see how basketball is played. As you can see here on our energy play of the game, hatid sa atin na University of Cebu.
Yan, alma mater ko yan, Coach Paul. Giving hope, transforming lives.
Wow! Kompleto ah.
But here we go, Eurotex Dream trying to extend their lead. The handoff,
Gets it back to go downstairs.
they're trying to get it down low, but a good defensive possession by Maurice Lacroix.
LaCroix amping up the intensity on the defensive side of the ball.
Low scoring after that hot start.
Lee checks back.
4 minutes have passed, 5-4 pa rin ang ating score.
The defense for both teams has been very superb. A lot of ball screen, nakakapagod to Jericho. That's number 3 Honda, the 2025 Pilipinas United 3.
That's why they played that way, Coach Paul. Kasi their average age is around 30 eh. So, veteranong-veterano na, it's about the passing na.
Yes, sa nakita mo, yung mga edad, veteranong-veterano, pero yung mga mukha, grabe, still very young.
They go downstairs, Lee. Beautiful spin move inside. That's a big girl move.
Surada to Lee, moving without the ball. Good reach for the Eurotex Dream. Good kick out now to Pingol.
A big goal. Nozomi guarding her. They go to Lee downstairs. They go to the paint. Big girl against big girl. Big girl roll is there.
Lee there against Murayama. Gandang labanan ha. Almost the same height. But you can see there, Minama. No, Lee.
Nice hesitation move by Honda. Yun nga lang, good defense by Eurotex Dream. Hand off to K. Pingol. Lee asking for it down low. And it's a 3-second call in the paint.
Yeah, baka siguro na nakita ng mga tao live. As you can see, our hustle play of the game, hatid sa atin ng Pocari Sweet.
Yeah, Pocari Sweat. Be at your best with Pocari Sweat. One of my favorite drinks.
Oo, so far
Yeah.
when it arrives here, every other day, parang umiinom na ako.
Yeah.
Saan ka nakakuha ng ganyan? May libre
Hindi
ba?
yan akin eh.
Ah, hindi yan sa'yo?
That's the question. Kailan darating?
And let's talk about, kausapin natin si Ma'am Rhea at saka si Sir Lee. Baka bigyan tayo.
As we take a look at the smart power play of the game, brought to you by Smart Power All 99. Download the Smart app and download now. Halfway point of this ball game. Nagawa na agad ni Keeping Goal. Inside the inside hand layup is there.
What a court that screen there for Lee. Ganda. That's why itong that's number 3 there of the Philippines, Harada. Easy layup. Why? Because of that screen of Lee on that shaded area. As what of all the coaches are calling it, it was a Gortat screen.
Yeah.
Martin Gortat.
Yeah, of the Washington Wizards of
And
the
also
States.
from the Orlando Magic.
Yeah.
Martin Gortat.
Yun, European yung pagka-sabi mo doon, Coach Paul.
Oh, parang ba?
Mapapasabak tayo dito, although Asian, pero may mga foreign players.
Yes, exactly.
And the Zombie from downtown, not that time, hits air. Nice seal.
Ganda ng jump stop ni Nozomi dong. Hindi lang tumama sa rim. But as you can see there, Jericho, the basics of basketball.
Yeah.
Again, basketball is like an art.
Eurotex Dream on a 4-0 run after giving up 4 straight as well. Lee battling in the paint. Pingol inside.
What a shot there. What a drive there for Pingol. Always ready. Parang Boy Scout. Laging handa.
Girl Scout yan as the ball finds its way to the commentator's booth. Let's take a look at the Smart Power play of the game, powered by Smart Power All 99. Download the Smart app and load now.
Smart ka ba?
Smart na smart.
Smart ako eh.
Smart na smart tayo dito as the miss on the 2 by Honda. And a foul inside the paint. Grabe, yung libreng masahe in the shaded area.
Again, pwede magmasahe, pero bawal kumapit sa kalaban. Kapit tayo kay Jesus, huwag sa kalaban.
That's right. Oh, nice pass inside. Pass is deflected though. Balik kay Murayama. Spins her way to the cup. Rejected by the rim. Under 4 minutes to play in this ball game. Eurotex with control. Lee. Hand off to Kay Pingol. 2-woman game there. 2 seconds to shoot. They have to fire away. And
What a defense there for Nozumi. Man up, woman down.
They've been putting some stifling
3 minutes 43 remaining, 9-4 ang ating score. 5-0 run by Eurotex Dream. Maurice Lacroix looking to end this, cut the bleeding. Shama puts it up 4-2. That won't go. Fight for the rebound. Gets her own miss, and that's Numachiri for that one. It cuts the run, but they go down low. Puts it up. That's a mismatch, but defense won there.
Sorada there. Sayang hindi siya pumasok sa shaded area. You can see there that he has that height advantage against number 3 of Maurice Lacroix. That is Chamo Numachiri.
8 seconds on the shot clock. Lee against Nozomi. Half split fade away Jane at that time, and a foul on the seal.
Perfect example, Jericho. Kapit tayo kay Jesus. Huwag sa kalaban. As clearly, Numachiri there was the one who was called for a foul.
Yeah.
Or it was on Sorada rather. I stand corrected.
Oo. Ito, 3 minuto, natitira. Beautiful backdoor cut. Basket counts plus the foul. That's Naoko Honda converting.
Honda, the MVP, the triple jam. Chance of an end one play. It's so nice. We need to say it twice.
Yeah.
Our technical director here for live stream, Levy and Roy Ruiz.
But they go inside. Lee puts it up. Easy deuce. They cut the 3-0 run. Balik sa tatlo ang kalamangan ng Eurotex Dream. Honda's two-pointer won't go. They've got to clear it out. Lee will hand it off. 6 seconds on the shot clock. They're asking for it inside. Beautiful feed. Yun nga lang, hindi lang may pasok, but Eurotex Dream with it again.
Yes, exactly. Sayang point blank range. Medyo minalas lang. Oh, Lee! What a backdoor there! What a pass by Murada! Numachiri wants to answer.
Yeah, yun. Honda can't get it to go. A lot of contact on the box out. Balik sa labas. Numachiri from downtown. Can't get her shot to go.
They go back downstairs now. Working the post. Now
Here we go. Pumping bodies. Libreng masahe. Good defense by Maurice Lacroix.
154.
And Maurice Lacroix with that two-guard lineup.
Extreme up by 4.
They're at the elbow here.
Maurice Lacroix. They need it. Can they
Balik
get
sa
it?
labas.
This one's a
Chama Numachiri puts it up. Hits back iron.
Extreme.
Fight for the rebound. And
Right idea.
the ball stays.
Numachiri there and Honda. Si Honda kaya pala MVP.
Hustle eh.
Hustle. Very smart.
Yeah.
Alam niya that Sorada has that height advantage, but still getting that offensive or almost a steal there on the rebound. For Maurice Lacroix, they need a stop here, Jericho. Under a minute and 38 seconds left. Lamang ng apat.
Oh, they have to fire away though. Oh, it's the shot clock buzzer. A prayer was answered there to make the lead 5.
As what I call that, a Hail Mary shot. Samantha Harada with that degree of difficulty shot. A turnaround shot. That could be the nail to the coffin, but there was a technical foul call there for
Delaying the game.
delaying the game. Yep.
Yeah.
Kasi hindi mo pwedeng hawakan. You can touch that after a made basket.
Yun, the intricacies of this 3x3 game. There's a lot to learn. It's a different kind of animal. But here comes Maurice Lacroix trying to stay alive. The backdoor cut inside. Honda for 1.
Good seal there for Honda. And good pass there to Nozumi. Kilalang kilala nila ang sarili. They really know each other here. As Lee there was called for a foul. And Unit Extreme, that was a bad foul, Jericho. They are now on the penalty with 7 fouls.
Yeah.
So this will be automatic. 2
free throws.
Free throws will be awarded.
Free throws.
That's Kato Nozomi on the free throw line. Misses the first one. May isa pa. And then she can make it a one possession game.
Yes.
Mahaba pa ito, 1 minute 13.
Mahaba pa. We have many basketball to play as Lee there.
That one home. It's a one possession.
Lee handoff to Capingol. Puts it up for 2. Not that time, it's short. Nozomi the rebound for Maurice Lacroix. Still alive. She fires a 2. Way off the mark to tie the game.